Is Trueform Boutique really a scam or just another online shop with growing pains? If you've seen those gorgeous ads on social media, you might be tempted to buy. But let me save you some serious hassle. Here's my quick verdict. Avoid shopping at Trueform Boutique, whether it's Trueform.io or Trueformwear.com. Why? Let's break down what actual customers are saying. First, deceptive marketing. The ads show polished, premium-looking outfits, but what arrives? Most buyers say it's cheap, scratchy fabric. Think Shein quality, but at triple the price. And despite Trueform claiming to be Seattle-based, your order is almost always shipped from China. That's why it takes 3 to 6 weeks, if it arrives at all. Second, the headaches don't stop there. If you get the wrong item or nothing at all, getting help is nearly impossible. Customer service? Basically non-existent. People say emails go unanswered, and refund requests turn into a nightmare. Instead of a real refund, Trueform often offers just 20% to 50% back, hoping you'll give up and move on. Want to avoid this mess? Here's what you can do. Always check if a store is accredited on the Better Business Bureau, the BBB. Trueform has zero positive standing there. And before you click buy, search Reddit and other forums for real reviews, not just what you see on their site. If you already ordered and got scammed, contact your bank now. Request a chargeback for item not as described or item not received. Bottom line, don't let slick ads fool you. Do your homework and keep your money safe. Thanks for listening, and share this with a friend before they get caught in the same trap.